Avocado is wonderful healthy fruit. Here are 3 simple benefits of avocados. 1. Nutritional value. Avocados are packed with essential nutrients. They are an excellent source of healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Avocados also contain vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B6, potassium, and fiber, all of which are important for overall health and well-being. 2. Skin health. Avocados are known for their positive effects on skin health. The healthy fats present in avocados can nourish and moisturize the skin, making it soft and supple, such as vitamins C and E, which help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, avocados contain compounds that may promote collagen synthesis, which can help improve the skin's elasticity and reduce the signs of aging. 3. Weight management. Avocados can be beneficial for weight management. The monounsaturated fats found in avocados can help increase feelings of fullness and satiety, which may lead to reduced calorie intake. Additionally, the fiber content in avocados contributes to a slower digestion process, helping to control blood sugar levels and prevent spikes in insulin, which can be beneficial for weight control. Remember, these are just a few of the many benefits avocados offer. It's always a good idea to incorporate a variety of nutrient-rich foods into your diet to support overall health. Eat healthy food, be healthy. Disease-free life is real wealth. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and smash a like button. Share your friends and family.